Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to pin a post on Facebook. Keeping your most important Facebook posts at the top of your profile is a great way to ensure they're seen by more people. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once the Facebook app is open on your mobile phone, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the mobile screen. This will open a menu with various options. Select Your Profile to navigate to your profile page. Scroll through your timeline until you find the post you want to pin. It can be a text post, photo, video, or any other type of post you've created. Tap on the 3 horizontal dots in the top right corner of the post. This will open a menu with several options. Select the Pin Post option. The post will be immediately pinned to the top of your profile, where it will remain until you unpin it. Scroll down to see if the post is pinned or not. You should now see the pinned post prominently displayed. If you decide you no longer want the post pinned, simply tap on the 3 horizontal dots again, and in the menu, select Unpin Post to remove it from the top of your profile. Let's see again. The pinned post is successfully removed from the top. And that's it. Now you know how to pin a post on Facebook. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.